Hello, guys. Uh, in last week, I made a video about the end of correction, and we are going to a bull market if God wills. Now, I get some questions. You say, how do you know that this will last for 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, and it will be, let's say, for example, um, this 3 months, and then 2019 it will be a very good year. Now I will tell you something. For me, I use technical analysis. It means I analyze the price, the past chart, and I will tell you if it is a correction, if it is a bear market, if it is a bull market. Now, from the beginning of February 2018, if you follow my channel from February until now, I speak a lot about Dow Jones. It means the major index, and I will tell you that we have a correction, and then I tell you it's trending into a range, and I follow for many months. This is following. It means I am doing some job. It means I'm always looking for opportunities to buy stocks. Okay? Before, I bought, for example, Apple, because I see Apple is doing excellent regarding what we call Dow Jones. Now, in the future, I don't know, but I did that according to my strategies. Now, if I say now, since the Dow Jones is better now and the correction ended, how do we know that this will continue? It's just by watching. I'm not saying you watch every minute, but you watch for the future, daily or weekly or whatever. Now, those people who are able to try, it means you find ETFs, you find stocks, they buy and they risk their money. Now let's say two guys. One is scared to buy because he say, okay, the stocks just go up, but it can go down. So I buy, I lose. So let's just watch. Another guy searches stocks, ETFs, and he buys some and he follows the trend. Let's say after 6 months, let's say we have a trend. Now, the trader who has bought stocks, he made a large profit. 6 months, it could be 10%, 20%, 50%, 70% of his money. It's okay. What about the other guy? The other guy who doesn't risk his money. He is watching the market going up, but he's scared to enter. He wants a confirmation where the trend is so big, where all the people in the market are telling, for example, you find it in the news, you find it in CNN, in Bloomberg, in websites, oh, it's good. But at that time, 6 months or 1 year, 1 year and a half, it will be the end of the trend. It means the market will not go forever. And then, when you want confirmation, you want that everybody has bought, in order that you buy. It means you come at the end. You have the opportunity to buy before at first, but you did not want to buy because you think you are risking money. But you don't understand that if you don't risk, you will never know. Watching the market like this without buying is not a strategy that you should do in your trading or investing. Someone has sent me an email and he said, when the market has a crash and collapse, and then I will buy. I tell you, who tells you that the market will have a crash? Where did you see this? Who tells you? Okay? So people, they just speak. because they are watching too much TV. Now, let's say the guy who has bought stocks, the market is not doing well and he loses some money. Although he has lost some money, but it is worth trying. Because the other one, he say, oh, I am safe, I didn't lose. But this guy will never make money. Because whenever an opportunity comes, he doesn't want to buy. He wants, when Wall Street guys tell him to buy, he will buy. But he will buy at the end of the trend. Like what did happen in January. Do you understand that in January, when I see the stocks are going so high, I just go to CNN, CNBC, they say, oh, 2018 will be the best year in the market. I understand that it is the opposite. They are preparing for something. But the people, when I talk, when I make my videos, the people who are following me in my subscription or following me, they understand what I am saying. Wall Street, when they say to you buy, it means it is a sell. That's why a lot of people, they begin to buy in January. Before the correction, I made in that weekend a live session. I tell that there is a correction and here are solutions. Okay? Do I know that in the future there is a correction? It means the whole market will collapse for 1 week or two? No. I will never know. How do I know the future? But for me, it is a speculation. Now, what is a speculation? Speculation, it means you know something about the market that it is like, it's not a secret, but it is because of the mood of the market. Wall Street is always against. When they say to you, sell, it means they are buying. When they tell you buy, it means they are selling. Because these guys, why they tell you buy? And since they are not in the market, they don't own stocks. Why do they sell you buy? It means they advise you. It means they advise you for free. Do you think that Wall Street guys in general, brokers, people who are in the media, CNN, CNBC, all the analysts, do you think they work for free? They give you just advice? Why when you go to a bank for advice, they will ask you later when you buy, they will have fees. You should pay for what they say to you. There is no a free lunch at the market in general. Okay? So this is what I am telling, is that you should seize opportunities. Even if you lose, it's okay to lose. Because you seize the opportunity and you should be active. If you are passive, any opportunity that comes to you, you will just forget about it. But you watch the stock. Many times, maybe it happens to you when you see some stock and it is good and it's an opportunity and maybe you like it and you want to buy it, but you tell to yourself, no, maybe it will go down, I lose money. Okay, I don't buy. But after a few weeks or few months, stock that it is like $5 goes to $85 in 6 months. So the people who are there, who bought at 5 or 7 or 10, it doesn't mean that they know the future. They don't know the future, but they believe in their techniques, in their strategies. They believe. For example, for me, when I buy a stock, even if I lose, it doesn't matter. I believe in what I do. Even if I lose this time, I will make money the other time. That's why it doesn't matter for me. And this idea of losing and making money is always there. It's part of the game. Okay? So, some people right now, at the beginning, as I told you, they told me, oh, is it a bull market? We buy and we make money? Who tells you that it will continue? No one knows. But we base our information on analysis of the chart. The chart, it gives us what the traders are doing. And understand that the price doesn't lie. In other terms, if you see stock going up, it can continue for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. It can, yes. So, and if the stock is going down, it can go down and down and down and down into a downtrend, and the stock lose a lot of money. So this is just something that we see in the chart. Some other people who don't know swing trading or investing or day trading, even day trading, when they see the chart, they don't understand anything because they don't have techniques, they don't have no strategies. So it's better to learn these things and focus on opportunities. Whenever there's an opportunity, you buy, and then you will see after. If things go wrong, you exit with a small loss, and then you find another stock. This is how all the people make their money in the market. Thank you very much, and see you next time.